Alright, Tesla fan, let's dive into it, guys. Today I'm going to walk you through how to access your Tesla's remote diagnosis, okay? Which is a very super handy feature if you ever need help with any issues or you just want to check up on your car's systems. So I have added, an outline steps for you at the top left. You can follow along there. So basically, first things first, you want to do is grab your phone and open the Tesla app. So the app is basically your go-to for accessing remote diagnosis, okay? And it connects you directly with Tesla's support team. So what you're gonna do, guys, okay? Once you're in the app, just scroll down and select service, and this section is where you can book appointments, view history, service history, and access remote diagnosis. So what you want to do is under service, you'll see a list of common issues. And if your concern is listed, just tap on it to send details to Tesla. And if you're not sure what's going on, select request help or diagnostics. And Tesla's team will actually reach out to check out on your vehicle. And basically, guys, when you actually request help, okay, Tesla's support team will be able to remotely access diagnostic data from your car to assess any issues. So basically, what's going to happen is you're going to receive a notification in the app as they gather data. So just stay connected and they'll update you on what they find. And after the diagnostics are complete, Tesla will let you know the results and advise you if there's any repairs or updates that are needed. You can either schedule a service visit or handle it right through the app if it's something they can actually fix remotely, guys. That's really handy. And that's it, guys. So go ahead, hit that link in the description to upgrade it right here further, guys. Make sure you subscribe to the channel so I can